Check the floor. Make sure the subfloor is level and smooth. Tools: straight edge, utility knife, tapping block, measuring tape, hammer, tri-square. Installation: place an underlayment for moisture protection. Measure and cut the planks. Use spacers to keep an 8 to 12 millimeters expansion gap between the floor and walls. Install the planks by locking them together at a 30 angle. A tapping block is used to protect the flooring when using a hammer. Attach baseboards to cover the expansion gaps. Clean and inspect for a smooth, even finish.